So, Todd, tell us what you found in the bins this week.
Well, I went to the bins and I found something for the ultimate pet lover, perhaps.
Is this any pet?
Not just any pet. This is Make Your Bird a Star. This is for training parakeets, parrots, cockatiels, mynas, and people, which features recreations of 16 of the most famous phrases known to be said by some of the greatest stars of our time.
So the second track here on this side is
Perfect.
Is Humphrey Bogart.
Not just Humphrey Bogart, Humphrey Bo Bird. Because all of these have bird-related puns. What year do you think something like this would come out in?
That's a good question.
We have those
This
stars.
seems like prime middle 60s, like the baby boomers. They've got their birds. They're
that
and-
is screaming like 62 to me.
Copyright 1983.
what?
Whoa.
By Pet Records. So Pet Records had a couple other bird-related things. So should we take a little...
Yeah.
Here's looking at you, kid. Here's looking at you, kid.
So,
Here's
Are
looking
there
at
any
you,
other
kid.
good ones?
Wait,
Not that this
other
one-
good
Here's
so each...
looking
how do
at
we-
you, kid.
How do we stop this?
Here's
Stop his
this.
madness.
looking at you, kid. Come inside. Come inside.
Is that supposed to be Bela Lugosi?
Inside.
Boris Karloff.
Boris Bird.
Bird! They just gave up.
That can't possibly be Boris Karloff.
No, I
turning
think
into
so.
Boris
It's
Bird.
100%.
It's Boris Karloff.
That's not even a pun.
That's a Mark joke.
That's
Come in. Frankly, I don't give a damn.
That is the worst.
Frankly, I don't give a damn.
That is a
Frankly,
terrible
I don't
Clark
give a
Gable
damn.
impression.
Where shall I go? What shall I do?
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Frankly, I don't give a damn.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Frankly, I don't give a damn.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Frankly, I don't give a damn.
But I mean,
Frankly, I
in
don't
the
give a
end,
damn.
you're training your
I don't give a
parakeet.
damn.
It's close enough for a
Just-
bird.
Frankly, I don't give a damn. You dirty rat. You dirty rat.
That doesn't sound like James Cagney either.
He's gone, eh? Come out and take it, you dirty yellow-bellied rat, or I'll give it to you through the door.
Can we cut to a clip of Splinter from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
Ow.
Well, Todd, I...
You dirty rat.
This
Okay,
is
this
this
is-
is so funny.
How does it
You
end?
want to turn it up? Is that what?
You dirty rat.
Just make it stop. Do you think the person that would buy this would play this while they were at home too, or
No.
as they were going to the because you have to turn it over. It's a record. Teach only one phrase at a time. So you wouldn't be able to go
You
anywhere.
wouldn't be able
You'd
to
have to
do
keep
anything.
every
Every
3
3
minutes. You'd have to keep. Can you imagine listening to that phrase all
This-
day long?
Ooh, come up and sing it sometime. Ooh,
Can you imagine if a bird said this to you?
ooh, come up and sing it
The impressions
sometime.
are as accurate as the
Come up and
likenesses of the painting in the front, which is,
Ooh,
I guess.
come up and sing it.
John
Wayne
Wayne
Bird.
Bird. All right, let's
Come
go.
up and
That's, you can't just add bird to the end of things and make it a pun.
Go. What the hell are you gonna do with this?
It's so weird that I think I don't know. I think I might keep it, but
Well, before you make that decision, let me tell you what I found at the bins this week. I picked up this 78 called Your Parakeet Can Teach Itself to Talk. This is a parakeet training record.
that label is amazing.
So let's put this on here.
Teaching a parakeet to talk is fun, but the old method took too much time and patience. This record is specially designed to teach any healthy, normal parakeet to talk.
Hello. Hello, baby.
Hello.
So this is like the remedial version of...
Happy days, sweetheart.
If you did not know what this record was and you walked into a house and it was playing,
That is the
what would you-
scariest thing in the world.
Happy days. Happy days. Happy days. Happy days. Happy days. Happy days.
Now,
Now you said, Brian.
This is when it gets interesting.
Okay.
It tells you, it shows you what your parakeet is supposed to sound like once it is learned.
oh, the model parakeet.
Yes.
Now hear how a real parakeet should sound.
Hello, baby. What again? Hello, baby. What again? Hello, baby. What again? Good morning.
That's
Good morning.
that's the bird?
That's the bird.
What?
Okay, we need to do that.
That
clip
was
again.
terrifying.
If I knew that's what my parakeet would end up talking like, I would not play this record.
Hello, baby. What again? Hello, baby. What again? Happy days, sweetheart. Happy days, sweetheart. Good morning. Good morning.
Is it crawling out of a hole?
Up from hell. Fine.
Don, I need you to slow that down by about 500 speed so we can hear what that sounds like.
Well,
We can hear the secret messages.
Stand by.
It is a 78.
Oh, it is a 78. Holy crap!
That good morning is so awful. It reminds me, do you remember at the end of RoboCop where the main bad guy falls into toxic waste and like shuffles onto the road? Like that's the sound he would make.
Good morning!
And the bird, what's weird about that is that it's specifically made for what? Parakeets. Parakeets don't sound like they can talk.
Why are we forcing
Why are we forcing them to talk?
Alright, well,
What do we do with this? Do we keep it? Do we destroy it? Do we give it a 2?
do
A
we
freakish-
exercise it? Like,
for the good of humanity and parakeets worldwide, I think we have to not let this get out.
Wow. How about we smear it with some honey and pour some bird seed on it, and I can set it out in my yard and feed the birds with it.
I like it.
All right. It'll serve one last purpose before retreating from the hell that it came from.
I'm keeping this one just in case. You never know.
for your birthday, I'm getting you a parakeet.
Okay, so it's day 4 trying to get rid of this stupid record. I tried 3 days of feeding it to the birds, but it was too hot and all the birds stayed away. And so now I'm going to do the only thing I know how to do is to honor my favorite type of bird, fried chicken. So that's what I'm going to do with this record to rid us of it once and for all.
I want to play again.